bell.
Pagpakilala, anay.
Ako si Yones Oday.
Kita nga di.
Apat na taong gulang na nakatira sa barangay San Rafael Balyang, Western Samar. Mga magulang ko ay si Jerome at Pidila Danday.
Kanta na.
Jingle bell, jingle
Di kita agad nga di.
and
All the way.
oh, my father is so white and wants his puppies.
Clap, God, clap.
Eating bells, jingle bell, all the way. Oh, my father is so white and wants his puppies sleigh. Hey!
Isa pa. Dust. And a one.
His puppies sleigh.
Kita nga di.
Yes, honey.
All the way.
We come back to ride, making faces bright. What fine is to ride, sing tonight.
Hey!
Jingle bell,
Jingle. Dako, anis.